Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best plunge router fine woodworking products in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Bosch 1617 EVSPK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. At the first spot, the Bosch 1617 EVSPK is one of the top-rated palm routers among the leading wood router industry. The Bosch 2.25 HP plunge router with a fixed base kit offers you to use the application in various needs such as edge forming, precise bit plunging, slot cutting, and laminate trimming. A powerful 12-amp advanced technology motor can rotor at 25,000 RPM speed that delivers the ample amount of power needed for smooth routing. It also offers you to use the plunge router with a router wrench. Its convenient microfine bit depth adjustment systems offer great control for every single inch to confirm the best accuracy feature of this best router combo kit. The Bosch 1617 EVSPK is the best router combo kit constructed with aluminum that makes the units more durable, even the fixed base integrated with a wooden handle and plunge base with a soft grip handle. Both of these rounded hardwood handles help to control this efficient application. Number 2. Our second best pick is DEWALT Router Fixed/Plunge Base Kit. In second place, the DEWALT router offers some great value attributes, including die-cast aluminum base, motor housing, precision machined, and heavy duty for durability. This application is one of the best plunge routers for the money because of its distinct features. Its self-releasing 8-slotted collets helps to gain better bit retention and remove the frozen bits. The powerful 2¼ HP tools with 12.0 amp electronic variable speed motor can rotate at 8,000–24,000 RPM velocity that provides the power to spin smoothly through the toughest hardwoods. Its rubber-molded handles with low center gravity design helps to control, maintain, and provide the best comfort for use. The innovative microfine depth adjustment ring offers exact depth adjustment at a 1/64 inch increment ratio and adjusts parallelly for a continuous switch location. The built-in dust collector offers to collect 95% of the dust and gives superior bit visibility. Its high-quality brass casings and sturdy steel guide rods deliver a smooth and perfect plunge stroke. Number 3. Our third best pick is Triton TRA0013 1/4 HP Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router. Coming in at third, the Australian-made Triton TRA001 is one of the best plunge routers. The Triton TRA001 routers are a great versatile asset for precision woodworkers' armory. This full-sized router performs fine woodworking and is designed with sturdy body construction. Hence, prolonged service with highest performance makes it one of the popular routers. Its integrated 3.25 HP powerful motor is capable of handling any types of hard wooden workpieces at the motor running speed ranging from 800–21,000 RPMs. The soft start alongside variable speed offers you to choose the perfect velocity for your desired cutter types. Also, its multi-function fence gives you the controlling opportunity for handheld use and the circle cutting. Its innovative microfine winder delivers consistent depth adjustment through the full plunge range. The integrated air ventilation systems reduce the dust from the internal motor casing and peak them upside down in the router table. Its advanced safety guard switch gives you protection from the cut zone and helps dust extraction. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Lotos ER001 Electric Plunge Wood Router with Edge. And fourth place, we have the Lotos ER001 Plunge Router. This machine is well designed with a durable AC motor inside. The motor delivers a maximum of 1.6 HP for the best output possible. Again, promising immense power, the motor can offer a variable speed of 16,000 to 30,000 RPM. In addition, just think about the 7-stop turret that comes with a combination of micro and macro adjustment options. That means you can keep on adjusting from a micro level for precision. Again, the device accepts bits of a 1/4 inch. Further, the plunging base locks downwards to act both as a fixed and plunge router. Finally, the aluminum body of the machine screams durability to its best. You can expect the machine to last long and provide excellent support throughout its lifespan. In addition, The hood of it can remove dust so that the area is kept clean. So, considering the design and performance, it's one of the best choices you can make. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Ryobi RE180PL1G. And the final champ in the house is the Ryobi RE180PL1G router. What's the best part of this router is its amazingly ergonomic handle. To clarify, the soft and easy to hold handles on both sides of the machine make it pretty comfortable for you to use this machine. That, too, comes with a total of 8.5 pounds of lightweight profile. Again, the device features a soft start technique that allows you to rotate the blade at an impressive RPM. Starting from 15,000, you can take it to 25,000, at best. This is only possible because of its powerful 2 HP 10 amp motor. This motor offers variable speed for maximum productivity. Further, the machine comes with a 1/2 inch collet and a 1/4 inch adapter. These collets and adapters work pretty well to accept a range of bits on it. That means you can set different types of bits on this machine without any issue. This ensures its versatility, as well. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.